Are you looking for the best microwaves? In this video we will look at some of the best microwaves on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description
for each product
so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Panasonic NNSN 966S Countertop Microwave Oven. The Panasonic NNSN 966S offers 2.2 cubic feet of interior space and 1250 watts of power to heat food in less time than much of the competition. It offers power levels from 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest, explained one of our testers, and I found that even using level 5, the microwave is able to heat the food very quickly and evenly. Other pluses include the sleek stainless steel appearance and 14 auto cook options. If you frequently use your microwave to cook, steam, or defrost, you'll appreciate the built-in inverter, which delivers consistent heating power that won't leave food rubbery or unevenly heated. People find the display and controls to be easy enough to use, but a few online reviewers said they experienced button failure for the door after several years. The microwave is also quite large, so it's not a good choice for small homes. Patented inverter technology generates a seamless stream of power and delivers consistent, evenly prepared food without overcooking. Advanced inverter turbo defrost speeds up defrosting time. Built-in automatic genius sensor adjusts power and times based on different foods. Other advantages include 14 preset menu items, quick minute timer, delay start and child safety lock. At number 2, Toshiba EM131A5 CBS Microwave Oven. The Toshiba EM131A5 CBS handles all your basic tasks and balances counter space with a roomy capacity. Available in either black or silver stainless steel, this countertop microwave has an interior capacity of 1.2 cubic feet while measuring just over 20 inches wide and 17 inches long. Its 1100 watts of power can be adjusted with 10 power settings, and customers agree that it cooks food evenly and quickly. The unit also is equipped with sensor cooking and 2 defrost settings. Some people found that not all of the preset cook modes worked as expected and the microwave defrosted too aggressively for some meats. Our reviewer found that the soften, melt presets aren't exact either, and I had to take my butter out early. Still, this Toshiba countertop microwave has a solid reputation for being easy to use and reliable. At number 3, Toshiba EC042A5 CBS 1.5 Cubic Microwave Oven. A microwave with a convection function, like the Toshiba EC042A5C, offers multiple ways to cook your meals with one appliance. This 1,000 watt microwave has enough power to reheat food in microwave mode or cook, roast, and bake using the convection function between 170 and 425 degrees Fahrenheit, featuring 1.5 cubic feet of space. It's large enough to microwave full-sized dinner plates or accommodate a small chicken or pizza. A grill rack, for convection mode cooking, makes it easy to get a crispy exterior. People love this unit for its versatility, but others mention that it's bigger and heavier than expected. It also may add a few minutes onto recipe cook times when using convection mode. Combines microwave and convection cooking in one appliance, with auto bake, defrosting and auto roast menus. Pre-programmed sensor menu for optimum result of popular foods like frozen pizza, vegetables and more. Sound on, off option. If you wish to mute the buzzer of the microwave, press and hold the button 8 on the keypad for 3-5 seconds. The buzzer is automatically switched off after a long beep. One-touch popcorn button and warm hold function, equipped with power-saving eco mode and child safety lock. At number 4, Amazon Basics Microwave. This affordable microwave offers 700 watts of power in a small footprint that's perfect for a small home or apartment. The black exterior and control panel gives this microwave a standard look that doesn't reveal just how budget-friendly it is. This model has your typical preset cooking functions for foods like pizza and beverages, and has an LED display that features a clock and a timer. It even has a child lock to keep curious kids out of trouble. The best part of this microwave might be its Alexa integration. Use your Echo device to ask Alexa to heat your tea and the microwave will choose the appropriate time and power settings. At number 5, Black Plus Decker EM720CB7 Digital Microwave Oven. This countertop model from Black Plus Decker is available in 4 different sizes, including a 0.7 cubic foot microwave that's an ideal option for small spaces. This microwave is one of the tiniest, measuring about 17 inches wide by 11.5 inches deep and 10 inches tall. Although our product tester's 11-inch dinner plates didn't fit inside this microwave, she was surprised the small size didn't take away from its power. This microwave has 700 watts of power, which proved plenty for reheating leftovers, making a bag of microwave popcorn, melting butter, and more, all in just a couple of minutes. Our tester especially liked using the express heat buttons, which allow you to select a cook time of 16 minutes by simply pressing the corresponding number on the keypad. There are also express cook settings for popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen vegetables, beverage, and dinner plate, plus a memory setting where you can program your most used cooking settings. At number 6, Samsung MS14K6000 as 1.4 cubic feet countertop microwave. If you want a smaller microwave that still offers plenty of power, then this 1.4 cubic feet, 1000 watt option from Samsung is a great pick. Customers love the modern black color scheme and the brushed stainless steel handle. The design of the control panel is also unique because it combines digital controls with a metal dial. Online reviewers appreciate the unique LED display and say that one of the microwave's highlights is Eco Mode, which allows you to turn the digital display off to conserve energy. The ceramic enamel interior is designed to wipe clean easily and resist grease, oil, and scratches. One downside is that the microwave can be quite loud, according to current owners.